Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I'll talk about ASUS GeForce RTX 4070 Super Dual OC. So friend, the card very closely resembles the design of RTX 4070 Dual OC, but the one major difference, the single 8-pin PCIe power connector makes a way for a 16-pin WVH PWR, considering that the ASUS Dual OC series tends to come with nominal factory OC at power limits matching NVIDIA reference, and this is the first sign that the RTX 4070 Super in general might have typical graphics power above what a single 8-pin could fulfill, and so we have given a 12VH PWR just like every RTX 4070 Ti, and the card will include an NVIDIA-designed adapter that converts to 8-pin PCIe to a 12VH PWR with its signal pin to set to tell the graphics card that can deliver 300 watt of continuous power, and it is based on the same 8104 silicon as the RTX 4070 and RTX 4070 Ti with its ASIC core rumored to be 8104-350, and friend, the SKU regularly enables 56 out of 60 stream multiprocessor based on the silicon, giving it 7168 out of the 7680 quad cores, and this is a big increase from the 5888 quad cores that vanilla RTX 4070 is configured with. And friend, the memory subsystem is accepted to be unchanged from the RTX 4070 and RTX 4070 Ti, 12GB of 21GB GDDR6X across a 192-bit memory interface, leaving NVIDIA with one possible lever, the ROP count. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.